Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to share with you very quickly what are the actually best ones, free, the music that you can actually use for distribution. So first thing first, the fresh tunes. When you're gonna look here on the pricing, you can actually see it's free. Now, before I'm going to dive into fresh tunes, I want to say one thing. Like, if you really have a dream that you want to make it, now the DistroKid is very popular, and I know it's a paid. But if you are unable to pay €20, $20 for a year to have unlimited uploads and everything, and always looking for everything free, just go for 3 hours work somewhere, and then you're gonna get the $20 for the DistroKid, and you can start making music and everything. So this is just kind of encouragement to kind of if you really want to follow the dreams and you want to always search for free things, I don't know, bro. So yeah, the fresh tunes is good one. You have 100% royalty retention, no annual renewal fees, easy to use interface. You have 20% songwriter royalties, $25 payout threshold. So that's good. Now, but you're gonna have also no payment splitting option, high minimum withdrawal threshold. So this is kind of the one thing that you have to be aware of if you want to actually use it. Now, another one that is also free one is called Jumpster. So this is another one that you can actually check out for yourself. Now here, upload for free, keep 100% of your income. So it's free distribution, also 100% of your income. So that's great. That's something that you can also check out. Simple, straightforward upload process, unlimited singles. But the cons, sometimes releases get declined for no clear reason. Original work sometimes flagged for copyright. Music doesn't always reach all platforms. And customer service can be slow or AI driven. So also IBAN are required for payouts. So that's something to also be aware of now. So that's for that. Now the DistroKid, I know it's a paid one, but this is it's $20. It's you have unlimited songs for $25 a year. I mean, are we for real? So this is another one that you can also check out. For the basics, it's very good. Now, this is another one that you can also try. The website interface also looks dated, but still is it's not a bad product for you to check out. Amuse is also another one where I'm going to click here the pricing. Now the pricing is that, as you can see, same thing, $24 annually. So it was sometimes free, but it's not anymore free. So maybe it will be free in the future, I don't know. Charges 15% fee for payment splits with non-member collaborators, part of Music Fights for All alliance, which may lead to cross-platform bans, so to be aware of. And yeah, that's also interesting one that you can check out. Now the root node was sometimes free that I heard about, but right now you have $2.99. So that's something to also be aware of. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, the pricing plans are very similar to all. And another one, you can also check out the sound on global. This one is also interesting. So thank you very much guys for watching. Hope this video provided a little bit of value, and have a great day.